Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple videos with text on Facebook Chat on your PC with the latest update. Let's go through the steps to make your messaging experience more dynamic and engaging. To begin, open facebook.com in your web browser. Once the Facebook homepage loads, locate and click on the Messenger icon situated at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the Facebook Messenger platform. Within Messenger, open any group on Facebook that you want to share videos with. In the chat window, you'll find the photo and video icon located at the bottom next to the text box. If you don't see these options initially, simply tap the plus icon next to the text box to reveal them. Click on the photo and video icon and proceed to choose the videos you wish to send. Once you have selected the videos, click Open to add them to your message. Now, it's time to add a personal touch to your message. Write the note or message you want to accompany the videos in the text box. Once you've composed your message, click Send or press Enter on your keyboard to share the videos along with your message in the chat. By following these steps, you can easily send multiple videos with text on Facebook Chat on your PC, allowing you to express yourself creatively and connect with your friends in an interactive way. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Start sharing multiple videos with text on Facebook Chat today and elevate your messaging experience with friends and groups.